Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can convert your data from lowercase to uppercase by utilizing formula, and how you can remove this formula with the help of special paste techniques. And later on I will explain you how you can extract any country information within a second utilizing formula. So let's begin. To convert any data from lowercase to uppercase, what you need to do first, hit is equals to, write upper and select this formula and select the cell where your data is exists. For example, my data exists in B column and third cell. I will select it and hit enter. It will convert your data utilizing formula from lowercase to uppercase. What you need to do, you select the cell and drag it down to the end. It will convert all your data from lowercase to uppercase. But what is the problem? Because I need the data in the uppercase, I don't need in a lowercase. When I try to remove the lowercase value, it will also remove the uppercase value, because the formula is saying there is nothing exists in the B3 cell. So let's undo. So I need the data do not associate with these two cells, or I need just in uppercase. I don't want any formula. How I can remove this formula? Select the uppercase value, write Control C, and you can right click mouse and copy this data and then paste here and paste as special. When you go here, it will ask you, do you want to paste here as a formula that you applying here, or the value? I say only value, I don't need the formula, and click OK. So now if I remove any of the value, it will not belongs, or it will not affect the value that is exists in a column D. So that is how you can convert your lowercase data into uppercase. Now how you can extract any country information. First of all, if you write the name of the country, like 4 or 5 country name, it will give you directly an option. I will show you here. Let's suppose I will write here Canada, Australia, Ghana and Russia. Look, it is giving me the option. Do you want to convert these country, or you want to associate geographically these countries? So this is the one method, and another method is select all the cells or any of the cell and go to here in a data tab, and in the data tab you see there is written a data types. Go here, scroll down and select the geography. When you click on it, it will automatically associate all the data, all the country name with geographically. And when you want to extract the data only for the Canada, or all the country flag you want to show here, so what you need to do, select, it will give you an option here, insert data. Click on it and go and find where it is, like it's written here image. I will click on it. It will give me the flag of all the country. When I go again and I want to extract the area of all these countries, I will go and select on the area. It will calculate it will give me the area of all these countries. Now I want to know the currency of these countries. I will go down, currency code. So it is giving me the currency of this country, and I want to know the population. So few of the options I select here for you, just to explain you how you can extract the data of the countries without any hassle. So I hope you like this video. Bye bye.